What is a creative rut? What is a photography lull? When shoots are finished, big projects are over, there's nothing to retouch, no cool, interesting projects on the go. Maybe you have a job lined up or two, but nothing really interests you, or you don't. What happens when a working photographer, a one-man show, has nothing to work on, nothing to get excited over, nothing creative to do? How do they fill their time? This, my friends, is a creative rut. When nothing excites you, life feels stale, everything on social media makes you sad and jealous because there's people exercising their creative itch. They're shooting and creating, and here am I, bored, alone, sad, with nothing to do. All I want is that next great image, that next great photo session. I want to travel again. I want to get excited and start prepping for the next one. While you're in it, this feeling sucks. But actually this lull or this creative rut is fantastic for creatives because it's like a great reset. With nothing to do, it gives us a moment for reflection, to look at what we've accomplished and where we want to go. Look at our body of work and see the gaps, see the things that need to be rounded out. Work that's too similar, work that there's too much of, work that's missing? What's missing? These moments are dreadful while living through them, but fantastic in the long run. It may seem like you're failing as a photographer during these moments, not working, not starting or wrapping up a project, not even shooting creative work. How as a photographer did we get here? If you ask yourself how you should cope with this, it's already suggesting that when things don't go the way you want them, that it's some kind of large or small crisis that needs managing. But if you try to take a longer view backwards and forwards, the failure, as you call it, or the change in the contour of your journey, you don't know exactly what is a failure because you won't know for a while what you've learned from it. And what you've learned from it might be more valuable than what you thought you lost. But this too shall pass. This too shall pass. When it's bad, this will pass. When it's good, this will pass. When it's really cooking and things are really buzzing, this too shall pass. Just remember, things keep moving. It's a constant flux. Keep your head down and do great work. So how do I snap out of these lulls? Or better yet, what do I do during these lulls that happen a few times a year? Well, I make a list. I write and make lists of all the things I need to do and the things I know will lead to jobs or better yet, great work. First, I look at my website, see what's old, see what's new, see what needs to go, what needs to be updated, what feels stale, what needs work, how can I make it better, all of those things. Then I make a list of people to reach out to, friends, models, creatives, artists, or better yet, photography or ad agencies. For friends, models, creatives, artists, it's all about collaboration. Everyone needs a good photo, and this group of people will truly allow you to collaborate and bounce ideas off of, rather than just me shooting someone's portrait. But both have their benefits. I find ad agencies in my location, wherever I am, or people that I've worked with in the past, and I send them an email, write them a personalized message showing them my work, and I repeat until my eyes and my head hurt. Then I reprint things from my printed portfolio to prepare for meetings. This also lets me see how my tastes have changed in the 30 images that fit my book. Are they right? Right for now. There's a lot of benefits that come from printing a portfolio, but it's for a different video. I create special posts for social media, TikToks, Instagram, YouTube. My YouTube was actually created because of a COVID lull. My interactive posts were made from a YouTube creative rut. Lots of things come from lulls and creative ruts. I also update my demo reel with past motion work. That video is coming soon as well. This list of things can take up a lot of time, and they're endless tasks, impossible to finish. They always need updating. So stick to this core list and get used to each of their own workflows. Because the more you do it, the easier it is to execute when that lull or creative rut peeks out its weird, misshapen head. If you get into a routine, it's much easier to execute when you don't feel like doing anything and that fire or that spark has gone out. Once you get into the groove, spend 1 to 2 days on each thing and you'll dramatically improve your situation. Your website will be polished, ready to share with everyone and anyone. You'll have shoots in the queue, ones you're excited about and ones that you're actually controlling. You'll have business meetings in the books, a freshly printed and creative printed portfolio, a buzz on social media from the great work you've just posted, or have in the queue. And most importantly, you'll be buzzing, you'll be excited. Some of these lulls might be longer, some might be shorter. Some might be completely different than what I just explained. But use this comment thread like a message board to talk about yours. Share how you got through it. We all lose our way sometimes, and that's what life is. Life's ups and downs, and it's a roller coaster. It's unpredictable. And even though these moments feel dark and empty, just know that this darkness, this emptiness, this lull, this creative rut can change to something remarkable. Thanks for watching.